Attention investors. Mexico is on the verge of a real estate explosion. Massive state investments and nearshoring are reshaping Mexico's economic landscape, creating a once-in-a-generation opportunity. Think bigger, bolder, 10 times. Imagine the possibilities when you expand your vision beyond the ordinary. Mexico is becoming a manufacturing powerhouse, a hub of innovation and growth, driving an insatiable demand for industrial parks, which are the backbone of this transformation. Not just any parks, but world-class facilities with cutting-edge technology and strategic locations designed to meet the needs of modern industries. As companies shift manufacturing closer to home, they need space, power and logistics to support their operations. By investing in industrial parks, you become the landlord of this economic transformation, a key player in a booming market. We're talking about billions of dollars flowing into these regions, creating unprecedented opportunities. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor and watch your investment multiply exponentially, reaping the rewards of early action. Success requires more than just writing a check. It demands a strategic approach and a clear vision. Be aggressive, strategic, and relentless in your pursuit of opportunity. Seize every chance to grow. Identify key players, understand their needs, and position yourself as the go-to solution, the indispensable partner. The industrial park sector is your golden ticket, but you need to hustle, network, and outwork the competition to stay ahead. Set your sights high, take massive action, and never settle for anything less than extraordinary returns. The future is yours to shape. Let's talk about the lifeblood of any thriving economy: logistics. It's the unseen force that keeps everything moving smoothly. This is about sophisticated supply chains, efficient distribution networks, and state-of-the-art warehouses. These elements are the backbone of modern commerce. The demand for these facilities is exploding and will only accelerate. As e-commerce grows, so does the need for more storage and distribution centers. Companies need places to store products, manage inventory, and get goods to market quickly. Speed and efficiency are key in today's fast-paced world. By investing in warehouses and logistics centers, you're buying into the infrastructure powering Mexico's growth. It's a strategic move with long-term benefits. This isn't a passive investment. It requires active management and strategic planning. Be smart, strategic, and understand the market intricacies. Knowledge is power in this dynamic sector. Location is everything. Proximity to transportation hubs, highways, ports, and airports is crucial. Accessibility can make or break your investment. Today's warehouses are technological marvels with advanced automation and data analytics. These innovations drive efficiency and reduce costs. Evaluate investment opportunities based on technology, infrastructure, and management. These factors determine the potential for success. The right warehouse investment can generate massive cash flow and long-term appreciation. It's a lucrative opportunity if done right. Be bold, think outside the box, and seize opportunities others miss. Innovation and courage are rewarded in this field. Remember, you need to be in it to win it. Commitment and persistence are essential. Make bold moves and think strategically. The future belongs to those who dare to take calculated risks. Offices and co-working, the new hubs of innovation and collaboration. These spaces are transforming the way we work and interact. As more companies establish a presence in Mexico, they're bringing high-paying, skilled positions. This influx is reshaping the job market and creating new opportunities. This new generation of talent demands more than just a cubicle. They crave flexibility, collaboration, and inspiring work environments that fuel creativity and productivity. By investing in modern office spaces and co-working facilities, you're creating a community where ideas are sparked and businesses are born. These environments foster innovation and growth. This isn't about simply offering desks and Wi-Fi. Today's workforce demands amenities, flexibility, and a sense of community. They seek spaces that support their lifestyle and work habits. Incorporate fitness centers, cafes, and social spaces into your office designs. Offer flexible lease terms and create a welcoming environment that attracts top talent. Location is crucial. Situate in vibrant, well-connected neighborhoods. The demand for high-quality office space in Mexico is increasing, driven by the need for accessible and dynamic work environments. Differentiate yourself, offer something unique, and create an experience tenants will love. Embrace flexibility, foster community, and inspire innovation. Make your space a hub of creativity and collaboration. Mexico's real estate market is on the brink of remarkable growth. The convergence of nearshoring and state investments presents an unparalleled opportunity. Seize these opportunities now. Set your sights high, take massive action, and secure your financial future.